Corners up, and I'm. Oh God.
Steve's like, get ready with a fend to fend it off.
This is living.
Echalot, mushrooms.
I don't wanna be famous. I don't wanna get rich.
Today is splash day. So excited to get in the water. We're just heading off to pick up a tender now to borrow from our friend for a few days until we sort out a long-term one. And then we're gonna do grocery run, alcohol, fuel, water. Michael's got to go up and put the anchor light on again. What else do we need to do? They're going to lift us at 1 so we can touch up the undersides where they... Can you shut up? Can't wait to get out of this place. It's so loud. Yeah, bang all you want. Getting lifted at 1 so we can touch up where the stands were, put a few extra coats on just over the transducer and a few patchy spots, buy a new gas tank for the barbecue. What else we got there, Michael?
We've got to put the transducer in.
We've got to put the transducer in. So yeah, this is the shortest to-do list we've ever had on the boat.
I want to give the boat a bit of a quick spray while we fill it with water.
Let's go.
Before we knew it, the guys were here to lift her up. It was crunch time.
How'd you go? You get everything done?
Well, I got the tender clean, got the tender up, put everything away.
Looks like a real boat now.
I know, doesn't it? Thank you, Simon. You want to go see Ken, fix up the bill. D-Day, 6 weeks.
Yeah, how long it's been?
Yeah, can you believe it? It's gone so fast. Yeah, unbelievable.
Over there, so it's pretty much same height.
Yeah.
Stand out.
Yep. Nice. Thank you, fellas.
We still had so much to do, so it was time to prioritise. We chucked as much anti-foul as we could onto the patches where the boat had been sitting and got ready to splash.
Well, I put it as far as I could on the inside. Yeah, that's pretty good.
This is a mess.
Hours later, we were on our way to the ocean.
Michael! Michael! Ready? I'm pretty nervous right now. We've got all the 3 hulls in. You don't want to close them? Looks like we're gonna fall off the edge.
It was all a bit chaotic, and before we knew it, we were in the water. We checked all the through hulls and a new transducer we installed to make sure nothing was leaking.
Looks good. Yeah, nothing leaking yet. Righto. We'll see how we go. Yeah, it's pretty easy. Look at that. Move over, Trevor, TMC. We've taken over.
Because the access to Redland City Marina is tidal, we had to wait around for the tide to come in before we could head off. We had to move over to the other pontoons so they could keep launching boats. Unfortunately, this was a little bit harder than expected as it was Michael's first time driving the boat, and it also turns out that one of the engines wasn't even going into gear, but we didn't realise that at the time.
Thanks, fellas.
Yeah, it's not fun to first driving.
my mouth is like fucking so dry right now. Yeah, thanks for all your help over the last few weeks.
Sailing Sydney.
No, we're just gonna hang around here.
Huh?
Hang around here, get to know the boat, and then we're gonna head north and
Oh yeah, sweet.
go cruising for the season.
Get out to the reef and shoot some fish.
Awesome. Thanks, Howard.
See you later. Oh, you done well. Alright, Michael, give us a brief. How was the first drive?
It's alright when you're driving when someone else has docked it and everything, but when you're in this tiny little pond here and it's blowing about, what,
20 knots.
20 knots from the southeast.
Yeah.
They're coming in and I'm trying to spin in this thing and I don't even know how the motors feel yet and where the corners are. And oh God.
So lucky Steve and Howard stuck around because they're like, alright, we'll see you later, guys. Unless you want a hand tying up on the other dock. I'm like, oh.
That first bit when we were coming out and when we were coming near that boat, I was like, gotta fix it.
Steve's like, get ready with a to fend it off. I'm like, yeah, all good. Oh, it feels so good to be on the water. Even if we're in a little muddy pond. Oh, look at that. Yeah, so good.
Alright, so we're gonna come off there. And then you're just gonna come off this one. Alright.
Luckily, waiting for the tide gave us some time to relax and do our final checks before we head off.
Watch the bow. Goodbye, Redland City Marina. Get ready for if I have a heart attack and fall overboard. Getting done by my final midgies here.
.5, 1.3. This is the super shallow part.
How good is this?
Can't like the smile.
6 weeks of grinding and scraping and painting and pulling apart toilets and engines and oil. Oh, now look at this. Perfect. Look at the sunset. This is living. So good. So we're just waking up in our anchorage, had a nice breakfast, hot shower. We got Jess here, preparing to catch a fish.
For you.
We're gonna have a race. Who will put the first fish on the deck?
Jeez, it's been a while since I've rigged up a fishing line.
What weaponry do you have there, Jess?
Well, I think I read that there's flathead around here and whiting, so, and maybe some bream, but I'd rather catch flathead or whiting. So I've gone for this long shank hook, and I think they're good. When I was a kid, I think that's what we used to use to catch flathead and stuff. But we do like the paternoster with the 3 down it. Is that what it's called? A paternoster rig?
Paternoster.
Paternoster. I know paternoster. Yeah,
I'm catching the first fish this morning.
No, that's what we use. So,
Shall see.
but you know, we don't even have any bait. So, I don't know. We've got chicken, and hopefully we can turn that into a crab because we woke up this morning and there are traps all around us. We're so lucky. I don't think they were here when we came in last night, but how good is this?
So good. We're just about to enter the most important fishing comp this boat will ever undergo. The first fish on the deck. I have chosen to go with the super light squid braided line rod and light line, tiny hook, tiny little ball sinker.
That's what you're going. You
and tiny little swivel.
sneaky. You're just trying to catch the first. You don't even care about getting
Doesn't
a
matter
quality
about
fish
quality.
on this
It's
boat.
the first fish on the deck. It's the omen to start all the fishing.
I'm going by the first legal, legit, edible fish. That's what I'm going for. Tasty, delicious whiting.
We shall see. Jess has chosen for a bit of a heavier rig, long shank hook. Alright, the heat is on aboard the vessel to see who's going to catch the first fish. This is all about just getting the fish on the deck here.
What, even if it's like a 2 centimetre broom?
Doesn't matter. First fish on the deck. No casting yet. No. We cast together, like you said.
Well,
Hang on.
I hope I can still cast.
We can put some bait on. Alright. On 3, you ready? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh look, Jessie has encountered technical difficulties already.
What happened?
Old Rex Hunt over here.
Oh, Rexy. The rod's so heavy I won't be able to feel it.
Jessie's tactics are unraveling as we speak. Getting nibbles. Really? Bitch.
She's little but children. Snapper!
Well, there you go.
Alright.
Jessie wins. Doesn't matter. First fish on the deck.
Getting
Doesn't
a
matter about
quality fish on
quality.
this
It's
boat.
the first fish on the deck. This is all about just getting the fish on the deck.
Yeah,
I'm
we
catching the
used to
first
put,
fish this
3.
morning.
No.
That's- Well, she's done it. What do you got there?
Little snapper.
Little snap,
Little
snap.
baby snap snap. See you, buddy.
Can't believe you just caught a squid already.
I got 3 fish and a squid. So I got the first fish and the elephant.
Unbelievable.
We just had lunch, came out and had a beer. I noticed some weed came up on one of my hooks and I thought, I wonder if there's squid here. First cast, I've got a squid. I'm so stoked. Smashing it. How are you going, Michael?
I'm getting there. Alright, this has got to stop.
This is another little snap here. Getting bigger. Another 10 to 20 centimetres I'll eat him. You're on, Michael.
Take that, Jessie. Hey.
That's cute. What is that, a little bronzy, is it?
I don't know. Some sort of other shark, I think. You don't want to go swimming around these waters.
Where are the balls? Where are the balls?
What you got going on in there, Jess?
I have creamy calamari pasta.
Got
In
the
the
calamari you caught this afternoon.
It is. First fish dish on the boat, or seafood dish.
Yum.
So I just, bit of butter, shallots, echalot, the onion, shallot,
Echalot.
echalot. So butter, echalot, mushrooms, and then I just chucked the calamari in with some white wine and some cream, chili flakes, salt and pepper.
Yum. There it
Ready
is.
to go, just waiting for the pasta to finish.
Caught right there. And then cooked right here.
Where's that other bowl?
Soaking up every bit of our first day on the boat, we fished late into the night.
Did you just see that? That was sick.
Be sure to check out our next episode where we head out to explore Peel Island in the heart of Moreton Bay. We finally get our gills wet and catch some delicious
The
seafood.
shark lurking there too. little bit of fishing, a little bit of boat work. Love putting holes in the boat, don't you? It's just there.
Yeah. What is it? Shark. I don't know. What is it? Is it Jew? What is it? I can't see it.
Open it up.
Bloody hoon, trying to enjoy the serenity here. Enjoying the moment.
And this bloody drongo comes and ruins our fun. Well, she's done it. First fish goes to Jess.
Oh, look here, no idea, baby.
But I thought you were talking about...
still got it.
What? It's a stingray, an octopus? What is it, Michael?
I swear it was fighting.
Okay.
Bang, 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 bang. Oh shit, better look where I'm steering.